Nice weather to get started on our ride today. Look at his state. Look at all this muck. I'm already so excited, even before entering the tunnel. Whoa. Good morning. Welcome to day 1. Yesterday was day 0. It's a beautiful day today. No, nice weather to get started on our ride today. No, nice weather to get started on our ride today. Maybe I jinxed the ride too much. Nothing to laugh about. Thank God it was just the start of our ride, so I was in considerably very slow speed. Maybe I was in 40 or 30. I slowed down as soon as I saw the dog, so yeah. Okay, yeah, Arun is going in front of me. We're all set. We are set with all our gears. We wore the rain jacket already. We know it's going to rain, so yeah. And it started raining. Shit. It might have happened at night. That guy just went straight ahead. Now it feels like we are in Maharashtra. So the way, this is what we came for. After a full day of riding in highway, I would not say it was a boring ride, but no views, no such beautiful views. So seeing the greenery all around you, at least every 20 kilometers or so, it keeps you refreshed. Woohoo! It's starting, guys. We are nearing. So for the next 7 days, we are going to be seeing a lot of these things. Lot of mountains. fueled Yeti. Look at his state. Look at all this muck. Whoa. But he's so cute. Cats usually don't let them be dirty. They always tend to clean themselves. I guess it's true for cat toys as well. Whoa! This is my first time going inside the tunnel. Let's see how this is. I'm already so excited, even before entering the tunnel. Woo! So nice. My first experience going through a tunnel. Wow. I'm manifesting a Atal tunnel now. Sometime soon. "25 kilometers more to Pune. Will not be entering Pune, just going from the outskirts. One more tunnel! Woo! Whoa! Chalo, 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 chalo! This looks like a long tunnel. No, it's not that long. But yeah, 2 tunnels in a day. Come on. Woo! The noise inside the tunnel, the sound, it awakens all your senses, I guess. Awesome. It's raining on the other side of the tunnel. Bridge. Oh my god. I must be sounding like a 2-year-old kid right now. No, 10-year-old kid, sorry. But riding here makes you that happy. I'm so thrilled. We are in Pune right now. I'm so hungry. I want a place to eat. I just want to have some food now. This looks so. Mama the Daba. Let's see how the food is. The ambience is good. Finished our lunch. It was good. I ate authentic rabdi for the first time. Jalebi was not there. I wanted to try jalebi rabdi, but I ate rabdi with gulab jamun. Jamun rabdi. But the taste was amazing. It was so thick. What I tried in Bangalore was not that good, but this was so good. Arun just literally licked the plate. He liked it so much. First waterfall of Maharashtra. I don't know if you saw it or not, but I saw it. The first waterfall. Land of waterfall. We just reached it. Wow. Wow. You ride for the whole day, non-stop, and you just get a glimpse of such a sight, and the tiredness, the waiting, the grinding, everything goes away. You just feel so happy. You can feel it in all your senses. Nothing is visible, nothing, absolutely zero. Khandala Ghat. Awesome. Wow. Fuck. Fuck.